Savu seaside, let it ride. Yeah. Oh, sunrise shining on the blue lagoon, morning light coming way too soon. Salt in the air, my heart feels free. Waves keep calling, come back to me. Palm trees swaying to the rhythm slow. Footprints walking where the trade winds blow. No more stress, let the worries fade. By the ocean view we serenade. Hear the waves crash down on the shore. Every little sound make me want more. Island life knocking at my door. God bless the sea forevermore. Ocean view, I'm feeling alright. Blue water shining in the sunlight. Sweet reggae music through the night. Everything's gonna be alright. Ocean view keep my spirit strong. Island breeze where I belong. From dusk till dawn we sing this song. One love flowing like the ocean long. Golden sunset painting the sky. Purple and red while the seabirds fly. Fisherman singing as they pull the net. Simple life we never forget. On fire burning on the sand. Brothers and sisters hand in hand. Unity strong like the